So today I'm reviewing a free sample by Zenmen and its Pylori support. This I'm planning to give to my husband, and it's just because he has a very sensitive stomach and he's trying to take 2 capsules a day. But before you do this, please make sure you consult with your physician. I like this brand because it has natural ingredients like green tea, broccoli sprouts, cat's claw, and it has all those good things that support your H. pylori inside your body. You can take it 2 a day on an empty stomach without food, doesn't matter. And then other than that, he was planning to use it for 3 months, which is the amount of time that is good to be taking this for, to see all the full benefits. Other than that, he hasn't seen any side effects or anything like that, so it works very good for him. This is a gift for my husband, like I said, and he loves it. So I suggest you grab one today.